How to convert TikTok Paylater to Gcash. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how you can do this quickly and easily. Now, you want to make sure that you are using the updated version of the TikTok application in order to make sure that you have the balance feature. Right after that, you can then go ahead and navigate through the application, and from here, you could just go ahead and click on your profile. Once inside your profile, you can then go ahead and see the three lines at the corner of your screen. So you want to navigate through that menu and this pop-up options will show up. From here, you have the balance option. If you cannot go ahead and see it inside this menu, you can just click on settings and privacy and it will then go ahead and appear right here. But in your case, you can just go ahead and click on balance. And once inside balance, once you have accumulated a specific amount of balance, you will be able to withdraw them by clicking on the withdraw button. Unfortunately, I don't have any balance on my account, and from there, you can just go ahead and select Gcash and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.